Exercise 6.1 First question. Prove by vector method that if a line is drawn from the center of a circle to the midpoint of a chord, then the line is perpendicular to the chord. இப்போ இங்கே ஒரு நான் சர்க்கிள் வரைஞ்சிருக்கேன். Let me explain the question with a diagram. There is a center. Let me mark the center as O and let me draw the chord. Chord na உங்களுக்கே தெரியும், a line which touches the circle at any 2 points. So let me name this chord as A, B. Now let me join A and B to the center of the circle. So now what they are telling is there is a midpoint for the chord. Let me assume C is the midpoint. Midpoint na உங்களுக்கே தெரியும், the distance of AC and distance of BC are same. Then what you have to prove is the line is, this line OC is perpendicular to AB. So we have to prove that OC is perpendicular to AB. So let me write clearly what you have to prove in terms of vector algebra. What you have to prove is, we have to prove that OC vector dot AB vector equal to 0. ஏன்னா நம்ம 11th வெக்டர் அல்ஜிப்ரா படிச்சிருக்கோம். டாட் ப்ராடக்ட் 0னா the meaning is OC is perpendicular to AB. ஸோ நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ண வேண்டியது OC dot AB vector is equal to 0. இதுதான் நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். So let us start the proof. Let me assume OA, position vector of OA is A vector and position vector of OB is B vector. But we know OA and OB are the radius of the circle, because OA is a line joining from center to the boundary. OB is also a line joining from the center to the boundary. So actually A vector is equal to B vector. Since they are radius, they both are equal. Now we know one more thing, C is the midpoint of AB. We have learned in 11th, if C is the midpoint of AB, how I can write it as OA vector plus OB vector by 2. இது நம்ம 11th படிச்சிட்டோம். So this I can write it as A vector plus B vector by 2. Or I can write this as B vector plus A vector by 2. The meaning is same. Now let me write AB vector. What we have learned in 11th, AB vector can be written as OB vector minus OA vector. So OB vector minus OA vector means it is B vector minus A vector. Now let me do the dot product of OC vector and AB vector. So OC is 1 by 2 B vector plus A vector. I am taking this 1 by 2 outside, so I will have B vector plus A vector. Dot AB vector is B vector minus A vector. Now this I can write it as B square minus A square, because B vector dot B vector is B square. Okay. B vector minus A, you will have minus B vector dot A plus A dot B, both will get cancelled, and this I will have plus into minus A square. You have learned in 11th itself, that is whenever we have A vector dot A vector, you should write it as A square. So that's why I am not putting the vector arrow mark here. Now this is equal to 0, because why it is equal to 0? Because A and B are equal. Already we have written vectors are not equal, their magnitudes are equal. So A vector and B vector are equal. So both are same means when we subtract we will have 0.